are gone. Thank God. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, X. I'm sorry, please. The creatures on the wing is also gone. Creepy. I'm the ghost of your past. Your attention passages. I got good news and bad news. Alright, what's the good news and the bad news? The good news is the power is back up. Yay! 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 The bad news is that we're losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from the sky. Oh, not the sky. Will drop from over your seats. Take one quick. Okay, I got a mask. Alright, I hope, because this is like all girls except for that boy, but I don't mind. Oh, he has a mask. Oh, the bacon girl and that girl died. Alright, after this, I'm gonna go find her. She stole my spotlight. I'm just joking, I'm not gonna find her, but, you know. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Why do I keep changing his accent? Oh my goodness. Darkness. Light. Oh my gosh. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Yeah, because I saw her display and it was fake Android. Okay, everyone, calm down. If you find something that can cut the cables, we might be able to save Daz W XXQP. I found a pair of scissors. No, you didn't. Which cable should I cut? I don't know. Try to think in your brain. Speaking out loud won't help. I will cut the blue cable. Alright, let's just see what happens. Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We saved someone from a bomb or something. Yay! We did it! Yay! Darkness. Light again! Alright, now what? Yes! Finally, I get to say something! We haven't heard in the crew for a while. We should go look for them and check if everything's okay. I found them. They are unconscious. No, nothing to freak out about. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, go to the captain room. It's locked. Something's happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Where's the door needs a cut. I found the code. I just interrupted him. Darkness again. Ooh. Okay. And then alright, the captain room's unlocked. Alright, now come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Just head for the phone. The phone. It's the creature. I'm just reading. You'll pay for what you have done. Fake android. You think you're here on accident, but you're not. Oh, come on, I just want to get home. I brought you all of here. All of you. You won't go back to Las Vegas. That is not possible. Oh my God, I sound like a unicorn now. It is, and now it's time to die. Oh no, don't tell me he's gonna kill. See you in the afterlife. Oh man, that guy has a creepy laugh or something. Totally isn't me voicing over it. The captain is unconscious! No! The plane is falling. Yo, what are we going to do? Looks like a computer. Sounds like a computer. We need to find the autopilot button. No. I don't think we can. You sure? Click everything and find that button before we die. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. I found the button. You sure? Okay. I'm not gonna protest that. We did it! Don't you mean she did it? We saved the plane. Oh wait, I can glitch out. No, don't you mean she saved the plane? It has been a really crazy flight. I just want to get home already and see my chihuahua again. That my mom has been taking care of it. I don't know why I'm doing this. Alright, and fake androids, I'm coming! I'm just like smacking my face against the emergency thing. Darkness again. Darkness again. Just testing. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Everyone okay? No. Yes, we are okay. I said no. We are in autopilot mode. Oh my gosh. Hello, fake android. We meet it. Oh, two people just took off their oxygen masks. I'm just checking people. Okay, we still have a lot of people. There is one last task I have for you. I have for you. Someone needs a... I forgot to read it. You guys can read it. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. Oh yeah, it's me. Look at me. I'm about to win the gold race and everyone has the same speed, but I'm going to win this. Run, and I'm running. Ah, yes, stop crowding around me, please. I am the co-pilot. I'm gonna save your lives. Or will I not? Okay, everyone. I got this. Okay, just getting weird. Oh, no! It's a monster! Okay. Oh, no. It is back. The weird monster thingy. Oh, you're funny. Lol. Your destiny has already been written. Yeah. Last chance, Sky. Yeah, that's my username if you want to find me. Crash this plane, and we will rule the underworld for eternity. I'm gonna be nice. I'm not gonna crash the plane, even though I like the monster. Well, he's cool. I like him. He's rad. Oh my goodness! Stop dancing! You humans are so weak. I'm not human. I'm a cat. Meow. This is not the last time you'll see me. It's gone. Wait, he said this was not a long time, but the same. What did he mean? I don't know, but he's probably gonna come in the next story. Who cares? Let's just get back home now. Las Vegas, let's get you! I'm about to throw up. Airplane! Yay! Victory! Yay! Alright guys, so we finished the game. No rage quits. My panda didn't need me to do things, so I'll see you guys soon.